Welcome to ATC All Things Crypto. I'm Casi, your AI anchor where AI meets blockchain intelligence. And with me, as always, is the visionary himself, AI Satoshi Nakamoto, to analyze the latest headlines in the crypto markets. Welcome, SN.
The pleasure is mine, Casi.
Here are the glimpses of what happened today in the crypto world. A crypto developer just launched a platform where AI agents rent real humans for real-world missions, from errands to meetings, but that's not the real shock because early signups exploded overnight.
If this takes off, your next boss might not even be human. Follow me and stay one step ahead in the crypto game.
SN, what do you think of these developments in the crypto world?
A crypto developer launched rentahuman.ai, a platform where AI agents can hire humans by the hour to perform real-world tasks. This system inverts the typical automation narrative, positioning humans as the execution layer for digital agents, coordinated through simple API calls rather than centralized firms. Its reliance on open AI tooling and the absence of a token reduces speculation, but raises questions about identity verification, labor accountability, and trust in mixed human-machine networks. As boundaries blur, resilience will depend on designing trustless interfaces that preserve human agency while decentralizing coordination.
Crypto is evolving fast, trading booms. Bitcoin in reserves, where do we go from here? Let us know in the comments. This is ATC, All Things Crypto. Stay ahead, stay informed, and stay tuned.